Hey everybody, what's going on? My name is Tamer and welcome back to another episode of iTalk Tech. Today I'll be giving you my favorite 10 best apps basically for the iPhone 6s. As you can see, it's the rose gold iPhone 6s, and I'll just be giving you my favorite 10 apps. And a bonus feature, these are all free apps that you can get on the App Store. Now before I do begin, make sure you guys go down below and smash that like button, as well as subscribe to this channel for more content like this. Now without further ado, let's get into this app list. Alright, now the first app that we're going to look at on my list is called Hopper. Now if you guys travel a lot or do some frequent flying, this app is actually pretty useful. And if you're actually even planning a trip in the future, this will actually help you save a little bit of money on the side too. So what this does is basically it looks throughout all the databases of travel agencies, and it basically creates like an estimate of a flight price. For example, let's say we wanted to go to Australia, just as an example. So let's say Perth, Australia. Then it starts calculating or finding different routes that are in your time frame. So then you start selecting your time frame. Let's say I want to go from October 1st to October 8th, and let's select these dates. Now it's going to give me a list of all the prices of some nearest airports and some prices that other flights are giving. So let's just let this little thing load with all its flights that are going to give us. Alright, so it says right here that the lowest price that it could find for us was about $2,101 round trip. So you can just watch this trip, so it will give you notifications anytime the price drops or rises for that particular flight. Now you can also look at tips. This will give you tips for finding the lowest price, such as like when to like book a flight or what's the cheapest time to travel in. And then you can even go to flights over here and you can select different airlines and see how the prices compare for them. So it's a really cool app that allows you to prepare basically for any flight that you're going to take and help you save a little bit of money as well. So a really cool app. Right, next up is called Wi-Fi Mapper, and I think all of us here love that's what it's called, Wi-Fi Mapper. Will allow you to find free Wi-Fi hotspots all around your area. So you can just zoom out on this map, and down here you get a list of where there's like free Wi-Fi all around your area. So you can just see what type of restaurants have free Wi-Fi, what stores have free Wi-Fi, and any nearest Starbucks basically that have free Wi-Fi. So yeah, it's a pretty cool app that allows you just to find free Wi-Fi, and it comes in handy whenever you're on the road looking for Wi-Fi hotspots. Alright, now the next app is called Pex. Now if you're a person really into memes and creating memes, it's a really fun app to mess around with. So basically it creates a meme for you and allows you to search to their database of pictures. So you don't have to go through Google and try to find a picture that matches up with your memes. You can just type in what you want in your meme. So let's say we wanted to send Pex a meme. So we're going to go down right here and we're going to say, let's try when I'm hungry. So when I'm hungry. Alright, now Pex will start generating pictures and it'll automatically give you a selection of pictures that match the topic that you put in the subject. So when I'm hungry, there we go, that person right there. We can even start moving around where that word actually shows up in the picture. So yeah, I like to keep it there, and then you can just send it off like that, and it just sends the meme to whoever you want it sent to. Alright, now the next one is called Camera 51, and I can't really demonstrate it in this like confined space right here, but all it does is basically it helps you create the best photo or guides you to positioning your phone to get the best shot. So as you can see, there's like a little phone icon right here, and it basically will tell you where do you want to line your phone up in order to get the best shot, and it'll show that little rectangle over there to where it thinks is the best shot. Now it's pointing at the table right now, so it's not really going to pick up any good shots. But if you were like in front of landscape or you were in pictures of taking pictures of family members, something like that, it will try to focus it on the family members or on the landscape itself. So it's a really cool app and it helps you take that perfect picture that you've always wanted. So yeah, really cool app to help you get nice pictures on your iPhone. Now the next app that I use is called Dropbox, and I think most of you guys have heard of this. It's like a cloud storage system basically. So it lets you store any type of information, whether it's photos, videos, documents, all over the cloud. It doesn't take up space on your phone itself. It keeps it all on the internet, and you can access it wherever you have internet, and you can even download it even back onto your phone. So it's really cool. It's really easy to use. You get a ton of storage. I think they give you 2 gigabytes for free, and then you can pay more to upgrade to even more gigabyte plans, and they're not that expensive either way. So it's a really cool app to use. I use it almost daily because I keep a lot of things on the cloud, which is much more useful than keeping everything on the phone, because 16 gigabytes is not going to cut it for most people. So yeah, we definitely recommend Dropbox. Alright, now the next app is actually a game, and it's called Two Dots, and that's actually the second variation of a popular game called Dots. It's a very simple game. I'll just go through it right here. I'll load up a really quick level. Alright, so let's go. Alright, so you got these different colored dots on here, and you want to connect them all together. So it says try making a red square. So we're going to try making a red square. Alright, good. Now all the red dots have disappeared. Alright, and then let's just do another square over here. Let's do another square over here. There we go. That's how easy the level was. Now in this type of level, you just want to start connecting all the dots, and you get 20 moves until you can get like 50 reds, 50 blues, and 50 yellows. So we can just start right here. Let's try to find, oh, there's a red square right there. We got a bunch of yellows going over here. Yeah, it's a really fun app and a game, actually. But yeah, you spend like hours countlessly playing this app, going through all the levels, and they have a ridiculous amount of levels. I think it's like over 300 levels they have in this game. So really fun. You have a certain amount of moves, certain amount of colors you want to get in each dot. So yeah, I definitely recommend this game for anyone looking for leisurely gaming. Alright, now the next app is called Google Calendars. Now, like many of us, we're all linked to our Gmail accounts, and Google Calendar helps allow us to organize our lives, basically allowing us to schedule whatever we need, and basically having it all on our phone, all linked to our Google account, so it'll give us easy notification access. So for example, you can search throughout your old calendar that's synced up to your Google account. You can even add items. For example, you can just add an event. So let's say exam, like that, where, let's just say at a steakhouse. That'd be funny. And then done. And you can set what day you want it. So let's say December 19th. And there we go. So now if we look toward December 19th, actually December 16th, we have exam at a steakhouse. So pretty funny. Alright. But yeah, you guys get the idea. It's a basic calendar app that allows you to just basically organize any events that you have throughout your life or throughout the day. So really cool app, recommend it. Alright, now the next game is called Radical. It's a very easy game to play, but it does get frustrating when you mess up or do something stupid. So you're just basically an arrow trying to go through these little holes. I'm pretty sure most people have seen a game like this. And if you touch the walls, touch the sides, you automatically die. So let's just see how far we can go in this one. Yep, 2. That wasn't that great. Let's see if we can go higher. Alright, there we go. 2, 3. You can even go across here. Boom, boom. Oh, there we go. Yep, and there we go, 13. So it's a pretty fun game. I've spent probably hours playing this game just on its own. So really fun game, recommend it to everybody. Alright, now the next game is called Angry Birds 2, and I'm pretty sure every single person that has an iPhone or Android has played Angry Birds itself. This is the sequel. It's a much better it's a more fun game in my opinion. And basically it's the same idea as the Angry Birds original series, and you're just basically a little bird that's trying to knock over and kill pigs basically. So I'll just play a little bit right here, and I can just fast forward it through. Alright, and last but not least, the last app that I have on my list is called Waze. Now many people tend to use Google Maps as a source of their navigation, but I really like Waze because it allows you to get real-time traffic data, as well as it puts it in a nice format, and it's just overall a great GPS to use. The interface is very clean on Waze. It makes it very easy to use. You can see, you can navigate to different places. So if I typed in, let's say New York, it gives you really clean layout, tells you to go, it calculates the route and starts navigating you there. It's really cool. It gives you accurate traffic details. It tells you what's going on around your area, what type of incidents, whether there's a police accident or any type of construction work going around in the area. And it's all user reported, so you know this is a real time and it's real traffic data, so it's very nice and clean. And overall it's a great GPS application, much better than other stock like Google Maps and stuff like that. And overall a great app, and everybody should have this, whether they travel a lot or they just drive a lot. So yeah, that was my top 10 favorite apps for the iPhone 6s. You guys tell me what apps you like on your iPhones or whatever iPhone that you have, your favorite apps and apps that you use almost every day. These are my apps. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to go down below and hit that like button, as well as subscribing to this channel for more content like this. See you guys in the next one.